Hi, it's Bonnie from Birds Renovations, and I'm going to take you on a tour of the boys' bedroom and show you the 5 things we did to really add some wow to this room. Now the first thing is what we just walked through, the double doors. So sticking double doors anywhere on a bedroom just instantly adds that wow factor. Oh wow! The second thing that we did was add this beautiful color to the room, and it's called blue metal. When choosing the perfect blue for this room, we didn't want a really vibrant navy, but we wanted that kind of navy tone. We wanted something just that little bit dirtier, that little bit softer and subdued. We did some test spots on the wall, and this is the color we chose. Now the third thing that gave this room absolute wow was the double beds, and the matching double beds. They've been upholstered in the most magnificent fabric with this gorgeous bubble, but they're matching, they're symmetrical, and the boys love them. The fourth thing that gave this room wow factor is the rug. And I know you're thinking, a rug doesn't really give a room wow factor, but this one does. It's the scale, the size, and how it ties these two spaces together. Now the fifth and final thing that gave this boys' bedroom the wow factor is the ensuite. I mean, it kind of speaks for itself. For inspiration on how to give your room the wow factor, head on over to the Dulux website.